What's wrong, man?
I don't feel good. I don't feel good at all. Oh, I gotta go. I had Miss Piggy over one day, and let's just say, things got wild. Things got wild. Things got wild.
We should definitely get all
Buy
the
the new car, Minnie. Quit being a bitch.
Yeah.
How much is it? I'm just fucking going here.
$700,000.
$720. Yeah, $725.
Oh wow, what a fucking bargain! Hang on, let me go get some real money.
Let me just go sell my house in real life so I can buy some GTA money.
That car costs so much, it's gonna put me in financial trouble in real life.
Oh shit, that sounds sick. Sounds like an ice cream truck from hell.
Alright guys, this is it. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah!
Alright, everyone, settle down, settle down, settle down.
Alright, for our next piece, we'll be performing Master of Puppets by Metallica.
Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4!
Holy shit!
That was the last performance they've ever done.
Master of Puppets, I'm pulling your strings! Master! We should do that. We should do that at the stage or something. We should go to the stage.
We should all put our cars on the stage.
We could be the world famous orchestra that just plays Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Alright, I want to thank you all for coming out. It's going to be a great show today. Got a sold out crowd. We already got one guy who partied a little too hard. But that's alright, he can probably still hear the music maybe. He might be dead, I don't know. Now, ladies